How to redeem Amazon gift card for cash. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can redeem your Amazon gift card for cash, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to redeem your Amazon gift card for cash, now first of all, if you wanted to redeem it normally, if you wanted to shop something, you would have to open up Amazon app. You would need to come to the profile icon here, and then you would simply need to go to this option known as your account. And when you go to your account, on this page you would be able to find this option known as your payments. So let me go ahead and look for it under your payments. Here you can see manage gift card balance option, right? So right here you can see manage gift card balance, and then you could tap on redeem another gift card. But this way it is going to be redeemed to your account, and it's not going to be converted for cash. And there isn't a direct magical way to convert an Amazon gift card for cash, and that thing you have to understand. But there's only one thing that you can do, and that I can tell you, and that is, if you want to redeem or use your Amazon gift card and then actually get cash for it, what you can do is simply try to just sell it. Yes, there are people from around the world who are definitely trying to purchase gift cards for Amazon or anything else, and if you try to sell it on most likely a platform online, just post it anywhere, whether it be on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or eBay or wherever else you can actually go ahead and post them. You can simply go ahead and then actually convert them for cash with that. But directly from Amazon does not give you such ways, but you can of course sell the gift card if you're willing to. This way you can redeem your Amazon gift card for cash. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.